Hello guys, we're gonna cook stir-fried banana peel with tomatoes and seitan. So this is very easy. This is a very perfect vegan meal. So we're gonna need banana peel. Isn't that great? It's not gonna go to waste. So you're gonna take all the banana peel, remove the sweet part of it. Take a look at that one. You're gonna have to use a fork and remove it, the inside part of the peel. Just like that, and then you wash it thoroughly. Make sure it's very clean. Then you can cut it into strips like this one. Then you wash it again. It's very important to be clean. Then we need seitan, onion spring, tomatoes, garlic, and we chop it like that to add some more taste. Chop the seitan, tomatoes, and there you go. Now it's ready. We're gonna heat up the vegetable oil. For me, I use olive oil. So we're gonna stir fry first the onion, spring, garlic, and the banana peel. Yes, until it becomes golden brown. When it's golden brown, we put the seitan and the tomatoes. Then stir fry it some more until it blends. There you go. And voila, it's ready. Our stir-fried banana peel with tomatoes and seitan. You may add rice if you like. Hey guys, you might want to subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.